So here in this video, I am going to demonstrate in front of you how this WhatsApp chatbot which I have created using Pabbly Chatflow actually works. So here I have created a real estate bot and we are going to check this once. For that, I'm going to open my WhatsApp and I'm going to send some message like, hey, I want to get some property viewing. I'm going to send this message and let's wait for the reply. So here I have received this message, welcome to Prime Properties. Let me help you schedule a property viewing. Which property are you interested in? If I click on this apartments, it is going to send me some list. And here it says, here are some apartments you can view. Please choose the one you are interested in. If I click on this open list, here it is 2 BHK in Mumbai, 3 BHK in Mumbai, 4 BHK in Mumbai. I can choose any of the above and then I'm going to send this message. And then it is going to send me the next message. So it is asking me to enter the date. I'm going to enter the date as 2nd October 2025. I'm going to send this message and then it is going to ask me the next question. So it is asking me my name. I'm going to send my name as this and then it is going to ask me the next question. So here it is asking me the email address for the confirmation. I'm going to send new@pabblytudes.com. And then it is going to ask me and send me some messages like, thank you for choosing Prime Property. We can't wait to show you the property. We will confirm your booking once we reach you over call. Thanks. So this is how this WhatsApp chatbot is working. And now to learn how you can also create this, then let's start creating this from the beginning. Do you ever wish to capture the lead details and automate the conversation of your clients 24/7? That's what we are going to build today, a real estate bot. With just a simple drag and drop flow, you can design conversation that collect buyer preferences, show property options, schedule site visit, and even send instant notification to your team. No coding, no hassle, just pure automation. So by the end of this video, you are going to see how real estate businesses turn chats into conversation, that too automatically. So let's start creating this wonderful WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to learn how you can turn your WhatsApp into real estate bot. And for this, we are going to create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. To visit Pabbly Chatflow, you simply need to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser. And after browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account. But before we sign in, let me quickly take you towards Pabbly community. So you can join this Pabbly community to connect with business owners, experts, and the Pabbly support team. You can share tips, ask questions, and get quick solutions to your automation challenges. You can stay updated on latest features and collaborate with thousands of users who help and support each other every day. Now, if you want to learn how you can join this community, then please check out the link given in the description. Now, let's move back towards Pabbly Chatflow. After browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 credits free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Chatflow Access Now. And here it has taken me towards this dashboard where I can see the credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. If you want to connect your WhatsApp with your Pabbly Chatflow account, simply click on this add WhatsApp number. Click on this WhatsApp connect to connect your WhatsApp with your Pabbly Chatflow account, or you can use a manual token. Now, if you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can connect this, then please check out the link given in the description. Now, on the left-hand side where we can see all these options, I have this inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings, and get help. So we have created a dedicated and detailed video on all of these features. You can check these videos out on our YouTube channel, the playlist of which is available by the name Pabbly Chatflow, or you can also check out the link given in the description. Now to create a chatbot, we have to create a flow. On the left hand side, I can see this flows. I will be opening this now. I've landed towards this flow builder. You can see the total flows which I've created, active flows and the inactive flows. This flow is active on some chat. Now to create a new flow, you simply need to click on this add flow button. So let's open this. So here I've landed towards this page from where we are going to start creating this flow or the WhatsApp chatbot. But before that, I'm first going to name this flow to turn WhatsApp into your real estate bot, and then we have this box of trigger. So with the help of this trigger box, we are going to activate or trigger our WhatsApp chatbot. We have all the trigger events like keyword regex match, user start conversation, template selected, WhatsApp template delivered, contact added to list, custom field updated, and the tag assigned. Now whenever you select any of the events, on the basis of that particular event, your WhatsApp chatbot is going to get activated, which means it starts sending the messages. I'm going to select it as keyword regex match, and then I'm going to enter the keyword like property, visit, schedule, appointment, like this. Now if someone messages me like, I want to schedule the visit for the property, I want to see the property, I want to see your properties, then this WhatsApp chatbot is going to get triggered with the help of these particular keywords. If the user message include these keywords, then the WhatsApp chatbot is going to get triggered. But what if they simply send the message hey or a normal message? Then we will not be able to activate our chatbot with the help of this keyword. Then we have this regex. So regex is like a smart search tool which helps chatbot identify different patterns of words and variables. I'm going to enter a pattern here, and we have to make sure that we enter the pattern in the very similar manner. Now with the help of this regex, whenever a user send me any message like hey, the chatbot is going to get activated and it starts sending the messages. It need not include these keywords. It can get activated on the basis of any message. So here we have triggered this WhatsApp chatbot. If I open my WhatsApp, you can see that as soon as I send this message, I was able to receive this message. So how I was able to do this? For that, we are going to go back towards our flow, and then I'm going to click on the circle, drag and drop the circle, and then I'm going to select my content type as text button. Now if you want to send any image, video, audio or document, you can select the content type as media. If you have many options to provide, we will be using the list option further in our video. Then you can use this list. If you want to send single product or the multi-product, you can use this. If you want to send the AI generated message, you can use this. And if you want to send this pre-designed message format, which is template, you can use this. I'm going to use this text button and enter my text like this. So here I have entered, welcome to Prime Properties, let me help you schedule a property viewing. Which property are you interested in? So this is the message which I've created. And to bold any particular text, what you can do, you can simply put star in the front and in the end of that sentence, and this particular thing is going to bold your text. So now I have created this text, and if I open my WhatsApp, you can see that I have also provided these options. So how I was able to provide this? For that, you can see that under this text button, I have this add button option. So I'm going to add this. So we will be able to add only 3 buttons. If you want to provide more options, you can simply use the list as I've told you earlier, and we will be using the list option over here also. I'm going to enter my button as the first is apartment. Then we have this villas. Then we have this commercial property. Now here, whenever a user click on any of the buttons, if I open my WhatsApp, you can see I clicked on this apartments and I was able to receive this message. So over here, I have used this list now. So I'll go back towards my flow, and then I'm going to build the connection between this circle to my list message. I'm going to select the content type as list, and here I have created or build the connection between this circle and this circle. And if someone click on this apartments, the message will be sent to them. Now over here, for now, I'm just going to create the list for this apartments. You can create for villas and the commercial property also. For now, I'm going to connect all of the buttons with this. So I'm going to first enter the body, which is here are some apartments you can view. Please choose the one you are interested in. And then how we are going to use this. I have to click on this add section, and then I'm going to click on this add item, and then keep clicking on add item to add more items. Over here, this title is a necessary option to be filled. If you skip this title, you won't be able to save this flow. So we have to enter this title, and after that, we are going to enter the title as 2 BHK in Mumbai. Then I'm going to again click on this add item and enter the title like 3 BHK in Mumbai. And then again I'm going to click on this add item and enter 4 BHK in Mumbai. So here, this is how we can create the list. You can add the description also, that this is the house and all the other details. If you want to provide the header to the body of the message which you are sending, you can do that. If you want to provide the footer, you can do that. Over here, you have to enter the section title, as this is important, and then you can add the title and the description of whatever option you are providing. So for now, as I've told you that I've created for apartments in the very similar manner, you can create for the villas and the commercial property. For now, I have connected all these to this particular list. Now I was able to send this question. So how I was able to do this? For that, I will go back towards my flow, and then we are done understanding the messages: text button, media button, list, catalog, and all these. So over here under the actions, we have the condition: ask address, ask question, ask location. So we can ask the questions, we can ask them to upload the media, we can set the custom field, we can add the tag to the particular user, we can send this detail, whatever we are collecting. With the help of this API request, we can use the single AI message to send the AI generated message. Then we can assign the AI assistant which we have created to this particular flow, and the AI assistant will start replying automatically to all the conversation. Then we can use this delay. If you want to send a reminder or something like that, you can use this delay, and we can also connect one flow to another flow. Now here we are going to ask the question. So I'm simply going to drag and drop this ask question. I'm going to build the connection of all of these circles with this question, and then I'm going to create the question like, please send a date for the property viewing, and then I'm going to select the contact custom field as date and the format as date. So this is a very important step. Whenever we are asking a question, we have to make sure that we create this contact custom field. With the help of this contact custom field, we can save the details sent by the user and also create personalized messages. So over here, I have created a contact custom field for date, as I'm asking the question for the date. And then if I ask the question like name, phone, email, I have to create separate contact custom field, so that whenever the user send me the answer, that particular answer gets saved in the contact custom field. So now we are going to learn how we can create this contact custom field. But before that, whenever we are going to open any feature in the same tab, we have to make sure that we save the flow. If we do not save the flow, all these messages will be lost. So here flow updated successfully, and now I'm going to open this contact custom field. So under the settings, I have this contact custom fields, and I'm going to open this in a new tab. Here I've landed towards this contact custom field. If I scroll down, you can see all the fields which I have created. So over here I have created a field for date, and then I have created various other fields like name, phone number, email address, and the rest of the details. To create a new field, you simply need to click on this add more field, write the field name, and then you can save this. Now I'm going to show you how we can create personalized messages with the help of these contact custom fields. So let's suppose I want to send a personalized message with the name of this user. So I'm simply going to copy this field, full name field, and here it says contact custom field copied to clipboard. I'll go back towards my flow and then paste that to my message, and this particular $full name is going to create the personalized messages. With the help of these contact custom fields only, we are going to send the data from this chat to another CRM or the Google Sheet. So with the help of this API request, you can send all the data from this chat to another CRM or the Google Sheet. You simply need to enter the key and the value to that, the contact custom field which you have created, and the value which you have added to that key. So here this contact custom field is really important. I have created the question like for the name and the email address. I'm going to complete this flow, and we are going to understand this further. So let me complete this flow quickly now. So here I have finally created this flow. So just like this date, I have created two more questions. The name, I have provided the contact custom field, created the contact custom field for the full name, and then I have also created the contact custom field for the email for the question which I am asking. And then finally I'm going to send them this message: thank you for choosing Prime Properties. And to create a personalized message, I'm going to enter full name with the $sign. So here I'm going to send this. So here, this is how we have created this chatbot. We are going to test this one last time. For that, I'm going to open my WhatsApp. Before that, please make sure that you keep this flow active. If you do not keep this active, the messages won't be sent. So we have to keep it active, and then we have to save this. If we do not save this, the messages will be lost. I'm going to open my WhatsApp. I'm going to send this message. Let's wait for the reply. So here it has sent me this message. If I click on any of the buttons, the next message will be sent to me. If I click on any of the options, the next message will be sent to me. And this chatbot which we have created is working completely fine. So here we have selected our trigger as keyword regex match. We have provided a text button, after which we have created this list. Then we ask the question and then we finally send this message. So this is how we have created this WhatsApp chatbot and automated our WhatsApp conversation in real estate. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbot, and if you have any doubt you can comment down this video below. I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.